Hi there, I wanted to record just a really quick video about how I cut my pieces for a fat 8. Pardon my area, I don't have much room. So you can see that I have a relatively small cutting mat, and I have it, so it's 18 inches this way and 24 inches this way. So what I've done is I've folded my fabric in half. So you can see all of my fabric is over here. I'm a lefty, so if you're a righty, you'll do this opposite. So I folded it in half so that it fits on my smaller mat. And I have lined up the selvage. Make sure that your selvage and your fold are both flat. This came right off of a bolt, but if you're pulling this from your stash, you'll want to make sure that the fold is ironed and it's very crisp. And then, so I've lined up the bottom here the entire way along this particular inch grid. And then again, I'm a lefty, so I cut off the part here that was it's not cut quite square. So then for mine, I find that the easiest way to do this is to cut 9-inch strips, and then I open it up and I cut along the fold. Make sure that you leave the selvage, because what happens is if you take off the selvage, then it messes with the dimensions. It is 22 inches from the inside of the selvage, but some manufacturers have their selvage at different sizes. So that's why I say leave your selvage on so that you know exactly what size it needs to be. You just cut your 9 inches and then down the fold. So if you've refolded your fabric, it may not be quite in the right area. So that's why I say make sure that you fold it so it's nice and crisp. So what I will do is once I cut this, it's lined up with my 9 inches, and I don't have any of my light brackets, so I can't show you right now. So I'll cut it here, 9 inches, and then I will open it up, and I will line up my ruler again, and I will cut this. So then I get 2 pieces of an 1/8. So I have an 1/8 and an 1/8 on either side, and then I will cut my 8 pieces. So I hope this video is helpful for you to understand how to cut your fat 1/8 for the swap. The other way that you can do it is you can measure it this way, and I think you would do, I think the dimensions were 11 by 18. I just find that the 9 by 22 is so much easier because you already have the marking of the fold to know where to cut it. So anyway, hope that makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions.